Alright, welcome to this video tutorial where I'll be teaching how to get fonts into PixelLab, extracting fonts from zip files that you have downloaded from whatever sites or that was sent to you so that you can use it on your PixelLab app. So the app we're going to be using for extracting the files, we have different apps that can be used for extracting zip files. We have RAR here, we have RAR. Then we can also use Z-Archiver, and there are many more apps that can be used for this. So we'll be using RAR in this video. You can also check out Z-Archiver on your own. So this is RAR. Then what to do is to locate where the fonts were downloaded into. So for example, I have some fonts that are available in Telegram. So I go to Telegram files. So can you see that this is my font zip? So it's in a zip form. I can't use it this way in PixelLab. So what I do is to click on it, and then this icon here, I click on it to extract it. So when I click on it to extract it, it shows me where it's going to be extracted to. Storage, emulated, Telegram files, my fonts. What it means is that if I extract it, it will appear in this same place where I collected the fonts from, which is Telegram files. I can also change the destination paths to anywhere I feel like I want to change it to. So these are the different places I can change the fonts to where I want them to be extracted to. So what it means is that at the end of the extraction, this is where I can find them if I change it, and then I click OK. So it's going down into the Telegram files. So what it means is that these fonts, I can find them under my Telegram files. It's extracting already. So when this extraction is completed, I will then go over to PixelLab. Alright, I finished extracting my fonts. So you can see the fonts I just extracted, they are available here. So the next thing I do is to go straight to my PixelLab. Any of the PixelLab you're using, whether you're using Pink Dark or the normal one, every one of them is going to work. So what I do is, there's a new page which you usually see whenever you open the PixelLab. You go to the fonts aspect, then click on fonts. Then you go to my fonts. You see, these fonts are the ones that are just available in PixelLab. Then you go to my fonts, you're not going to see anything here. So what you do then is to add. Now there are two things that you have here. You have two things here. So the first one which I clicked is to add from a folder. So I can come to Telegram, come to the files, and I can add these fonts. But I'll have to be selecting each of them individually. So but then I can also come back to this place and select the second one, which is to add directory. Now the difference is that in selecting this first one, you have to be adding the fonts individually manually, but in selecting the second one, you can just add everything inside that directory if what all is containing is just fonts. So for example, what I just extracted contains only fonts, so I can just click on add directory, then go to my Telegram. Since that's where I did my extraction, go to Telegram files, I see my fonts, and then I add directory. So the moment I'm done adding directory, I wait for them to be placed in the app. wait for them to be placed in the app. Alright, so these are my fonts that were downloaded, so it has now been placed in the app. So in this way I can begin to use this font. So any one of them I click, I'll see the effects. For example, let me work on this. So you see, this is the effects of the test. So this is how you extract fonts and add it to PixelLab. You can also get new fonts just in case you have some fonts you want to explore that are not available in what you've downloaded. You can also get new fonts from different font sites. So I'm going to be taking you to some font sites that you can be able to access on your own. So let's look at the fonts.com. There are different font sites you can find. Let's check this out. Network is quite poor and it's quite slow, but let's take our time to get it done. So we're using fonts.com to see how we can download the fonts from there and then work with it. It seems like they're having some technical issues at this time. Okay, let's look at freefonts.io. freefonts.io. Alright, these ones are open for now. The fonts may be having some technical issues that may need to be fixed in the meantime. So let's look at free fonts. So if you see, I'm scrolling down, I'm seeing different fonts that I can use, Let's look at this S-Night. So I can actually use this font, so I can download it. Alright, downloading it now. File is downloaded. Alright, and remember the way it will be downloaded, usually in zip form. Are you seeing it now? Zip. So what it means is that I will need to extract it. So let's go to the extraction process. Simply go to my RAR. Then quickly I go to where it is. Where will I find this now? I downloaded it, so I'll find it in my download. Then automatically I can search. Okay, I've seen it already. Night zip. So these are different fonts I've downloaded earlier. Helvetica, Gilroy. So any one of them I want to add, I'll add them. In fact, I'm going to add all of them. These ones I've downloaded before to it. So we have Night. So when I click on it, I can do extract and I can change my destination. I want it to be here. Alright, so it has been extracted. So I quickly go to my PixelLab to add it up and enjoy my free fonts. Alright, let's go there. Go to fonts, then my fonts, then I can add folders here. Alright, so I extracted it to RAR, so I should find it in RAR. Do you see that? See my Night. out of it. I want to add it as a directory since there are actually more than one inside of it. So just go to RA, okay, RA, my fonts, my Exonite add directory. So if I search for it, I should see it now. Do you see it? See the Exonite italic. Sorry. So see Exonite italic. It's already available there. Exonite italic is already available there, which is the one I added separately. So this is Giro. I want to add Giro. I downloaded Giro some time ago. So what it means is that Giro will now be appearing. Are you seeing it now? Giro is now available for use. Are you seeing it? Giro is now available for use. So the next one I'm going to put in is Helvetica. So just to clear your doubts that it's not available here before, you won't. Okay, these ones have also been added. Okay, it's got added the moment I added the directory where fonts is, because Helvetica is also there. So look at the Giro already added from my fonts, my fonts. So this is Giro and exotic Exonite. I've also showed you it's available here. So this is how you add fonts to your PixelLab and you enjoy the fonts. So there are different other font sites you can use. You can use the fonts.com, you can check out fonts.google.com, you can check foursquare.com, and so on and so forth. So you can exploit this yourself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button to support this channel. Thank you once again.